Right. Hi, my name is Marc Jackson. I'm a cartoonist and I've been involved with the brand new Amtri Veritas website. I've been creating cartoons that I've been illustrating throughout. So I'm a cartoonist and I create comics, write and draw comic books. I also work in schools, libraries and festivals, teaching cartooning, and I also work with businesses, which is what's led me to working with Amtri Veritas. The thing that I liked about this project was that it was something different. I get a chance to, in my job, work with lots of different people who want me to draw lots of different things, whether it be drawings for the family or comic books, different characters. And so working with a business was a different kind of challenge because you're visualising something that is totally different than you're used to drawing. But in itself is great. Being a cartoonist and a creator, you always want to be drawing different things. You don't want to be drawing the same thing all the time. And so it was fun to work on this on more of a business kind of project. And my wife and I have just opened a new studio called Room for Comics here in Macclesfield, which is a creative space for comics and cartoon art. It's a place to work from, to teach from, to run workshops for children and adults and business as well. And it's quite nice to see how all the different parts of being a cartoonist can kind of come together. It's got many many avenues. It's not just making comic books. It's teaching. It's again working with business, and all for the love of comics and cartoon art. So in terms of this cartoon, this was the one that was the first one that we actually worked on, and really sort of got the whole process sort of rolling, and where we then worked out how all of them were going to look and what the uniform kind of style of everything was. We picked that one because it was quite nondescript. It was a fantastical machine, which gave me a chance to sort of be very creative and just do my kind of thing and sort of get ready to do the rest of them sort of as a bit of a taster. And this was the one where we kind of worked out in terms of the format, the orientation, and then ultimately how the colours were going to be applied, which were going to then set the whole style for all the others. So we created a set palette that would be used on these cartoons, and then even right down to the last little change where I had initially drawn them as you do as a black line, but then just very simply changing the black line to the Amtri Veritas blue instantly made them the Amtri Veritas cartoons as opposed to just a set of generic cartoons that could be used for anybody. It unified everything, and then off we went on this crazy adventure.